Morning, Danner. It is Saturday the 19th of November, and this is going to be Danner's first snow in our yard, actually, but he's played in the snow before at Mount St. Helens. Do you want to go out in the snow, Danner? Do you want to go out in the snow? Do you want to go out in the snow? You want to go see the snow? Let's go. Let's go. Snowing. Snowing, huh, Danner? See, it's snowing, Mom. You like it? It's pretty cool. He's gonna go over it by the grass. It's snowing. You can go in the snow. Come on. Come on, it's snowing. Look it. Yeah, you like the snow? Yeah, it's snowing. You don't want to go step in it? Go get it. Go get the snow. You want to go back in the house? You don't want to pee in the snow? Let's look, it's so pretty. Big flakes coming down. Big, huge flakes are coming down. Silly goose. You don't know where to go, honey? Danner. 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 Don't want to go in the snow? You're so silly. Here, let's go. Let's go get your blue ball, and then maybe you'll go in the snow. Do you want to get your blue ball? Let's go get it.